Okay, for Firework, we're gonna do capo on the first fret, and our first chord is gonna be a G shape. It's gonna be a lot like Complicated, where we have these planted fingers in very similar shapes. This makes it into technically an A flat chord, or a G sharp. Sharpening means we go up a little bit, so we're in G sharp now. First chord, then when we go to F, it's gonna be 3 and 2 inwards. Over here on the strumming pattern, let me see this. Down, down, up, 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 down, down, all for the verse. We'll get to the pre-chorus. Ignite. We're gonna do the same strumming pattern, so we'll go back over here to our shapes. Same starting chord, G. We're gonna do an A minor shape, which you can do the actual A minor, which is 2, 2, and 1 if you want. That sounds nice and open. Or you can just pull the pointer finger back. So after that A, we go to E minor, 2, 2, 3, 3. Still got this bass here. And last chord is gonna be C. So ignite the G, A minor. I'm gonna do it like this time. E minor, and let it see. Shine so the night. That would be 2, 2, 1. Big open A minor. Like the 4th of July. And then the chorus is that same thing. Baby, a firework. Come on, tell them what you were. Make them go, oh, oh, oh. As you shoot across the sky. You got kind of a weird bridge. I'm gonna skip ahead to that. Starting on E minor. 2, 2, 3, 3. We're going to C now. Now G. And the last chord is gonna be D. Pull back for that, keep your ring finger down. Pull your middle finger back all the way. And when we're in the chorus, we're back to G, A minor, E minor, C. And those are all of our progressions. We can do quarter note strums as well with any of these. I'll show you that real quick. My right hand. I'm gonna do that for the bridge into the chorus. Even brighter than the moon, it's always been inside of you. And now it's time to let it through. see how the quarter notes, just the straight downs like this, kind of prepare you for the more advanced strumming pattern you'll do later.